Hi folks, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate to you how to retrieve feedback on a graded essay. So the first thing you'll want to do is to log into ULearn, and once inside of ULearn, you'll go to the list of courses. You'll find our course that we have together. In this case, this student had Deconstructing Race and Color with me, the ILS class. So you just click on that link for the course that we have together, and then once there, it takes you to the course page inside of ULearn. Once inside of that course page inside of ULearn, you want to look for Submit Essays Assignments. That's where you submitted the essay. So you just click that link, then go to Essays, click that link, and then you'll see the list of all the assignments that you were to submit this term. And so all you do is go back to the folder where you submitted the paper. In this case, we're looking for the feedback for Essay 1, Final Draft with Reflection. So beneath that, you see the View Complete link. So you'll just click that. This shows you the Turn It In page where the assignment was submitted. This will show you the due dates for the assignment. It'll also show how much of your paper matched elsewhere. To the right of that similarity report there, you'll also see View, which is just to the right of where you submitted originally. So if you click View, that takes you inside of Turn It In Grade Mark. Turn It In Grade Mark is where I leave all of my comments on your papers. And there's a lot of information inside of here. Not only will you see my comments, but there's also a way for you to view the grading rubric as well. So the system automatically adds some comments, and those will be the things that are in purple. Not every single time will these be valid, because it is the computer system trying to decide whether or not you have a mistake of some type. So do look at those, but understand that they may not always be correct. However, look for the ones that are in the blue bubbles. Those are my comments. So let's just scroll down and look at one of those. So if we click the blue bubble here, that shows the comment that I left, which in this case was just pretty simple, which was just good paragraph. But basically what you want to do is, read every single one of my comments inside of your paper, and I do tend to leave a large number of them to help you improve. So be sure you read every single one of those. Once you've read every single comment, what you need to do is over in the right-hand upper corner under Instructor Feedback there, you'll see the View Rubric link. So click that. This actually takes you to the grading rubric for the assignment, and it shows how you scored. So you'll notice there are 5 categories: focus, development, organization, style, and mechanics. Scale 1 will be the highest number of points you could earn for that category. In this case, under focus, the student could have earned an 11, and she earned an 11. You'll notice that each category is explained. Under focus, for instance, it says, does essay have a clear purpose? Is the overall claim stated in the intro and restated in the conclusion? Does it focus on a single idea or aspect of the film? Is it clear how examples in the body are related to the overall claim, etc., etc., etc. So you'll know what you earned points for there. So this student basically did everything in that category that she should have done since she got the 11. So if you're missing points for some reason, it was because you did not do one of those things inside of that category on the rubric. So after examining the rubric, if you look down in the bottom left corner, you'll see total score. So this student earned 33 points out of a possible 40. So that was a pretty good grade. That was a B-. So on each of your essays this term, be sure that you're always going back and retrieving my feedback once I email the class and tell you guys that everything is available. Make sure you understand why you made the mistakes that you did. Make sure you understand how to correct those. And also look at all the good things that you did as well. If you have any questions about any type of error and you're not really sure how to fix it, just be sure that you email me, text me, or just ask me before or after class.